Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is how to square of any two-digit number ends with the digit 5 in easy way. For example, 25 square. First 5 square is 25 and 2 into next number. So 2 into 3 is 6. So 25 square is equal to 625. And the next 65 square. Here 5 square is 25 and 6 into next number. 6 into 7 is 42. One more example, 85 square. 5 square is 25 and 8 into next number. 8 into 9, 72. So 85 square is 7225.